today we are going to unbox 3 gadgets. With the first one is strip lights. Let's get started. So now I'm going to unbox it or unpack it. So this was a fail attempt in which I took the product the second time of my cut. So let's open the packet. Now I have opened the packet. That is the strip light, and the wire is the USB connector for it. It is a 1 meter strip light, and the wire has a controller in itself to note. And there is nothing else on the packet. And I was very bad at taking out the connector from the coil because I figured out after 2 minutes, and it is a waterproof wire too, and it has an adhesive on the back. Please note that to clean the surface and stick the adhesive on it, because it took me 2 attempts to properly stick the strip light behind my TV, so be careful. And you have to connect the pin to the controller directly to itself. Now let's. So guys, I have set the strip lights behind my TV. It looks cool, it looks amazing. At night it would be great to watch movies and Netflix on. And there is the controller behind the TV. There are 7 colors, and there are around 7 brightness settings, which are quite bright and quite low too. And there are, I think so, around 7 to 8 modes in it, each color. This is the first mode, as you can see. I think the flashy and the smooth mode are gonna be the best one or the nice one. And let me show it to you in a closer view. So guys, please note that 1 meter is quite short for me, and it is in 24-inch TV, so please buy 1.5 meter or 2 meter one. This is how it looks from behind. As you can notice, it is quite short, as I told you. So that's all guys, let's jump into the next product. So guys, the next product is not exactly an tech product, but it is an everyday gadget which can help you unbox stuff. So let's unbox it. So guys, this is the EDC. It has a plastic cover on it, which is nice because it is so cheap that it has a plastic product cover, and it is quite heavy too. It has 11 tools containing knife, a can opener, a bottle opener, then a ring blade, Allen key, screw, and a flat screw saw, and a knife. And also to note, it is kind of weird to hold but also comfortable. Be careful because of the saw blade on the top. So guys, this is the next product. It is an EDC product. As you can see, it is very heavy and nice to handle with. It is 90 rupees, and with standard delivery charges it costs 130 rupees. I'll put the link in the description below, as you can buy it from Amazon. And now we will test it. So guys, we are going to cut the styrofoam with the tool, so it is quite sharp. But for unboxing products it would be fine, but for everyday use like chopping and cutting wood or scraping wood off the side, it wouldn't be helpful. As you can see, I am trying to cut it. So guys, that's it for today. See you tomorrow. Please subscribe, hit the bell notification symbol, and like this video. The like aim is 20,000, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.